How to use get in English. We can use get to mean obtain or receive. Example: I got my car in 2006. She gets about 50 emails a day. Arrive. He got home at 6 o'clock. Become. Sorry we're late, but we got lost. Get, plus noun. I got an email from Sam this morning. Equals receive. I like your sweater. Where did you get it? Equals buy. It's hard to get a job at the moment. Equals find. Is Lisa here?
Yes, I'll get her for you.
Did you get my email? I sent it a week ago. Where did you get your boots? They're very nice. Quick. This man is ill. We need to get a doctor. I don't want to walk home. Let's get a taxi. Tom has an interview tomorrow. I hope he gets the job. When you go to the shop, can you get some milk? Are you going to the concert?
Yes, if I can get a ticket.
Helen has got a well-paid job. She gets a good salary. Get, plus transportation. Get a bus. Get a train. Get a taxi. Take a bus. Take a train. Take a taxi. Get, plus adjective. Get hungry. Get cold. Get tired. Equals become. If you don't eat, you get hungry. Drink your coffee. It's getting cold. I'm sorry your mother is ill. I hope she gets better soon. We didn't have a map, so we got lost. It was raining very hard. We didn't have an umbrella, so we got very wet. Turn on the light. It's getting dark. I'm getting married next week.
Really? Congratulations.
It's getting late. It's time to go home. Don't go out in the rain. You'll get wet. My brother got married last year. His wife's name is Sarah. Mark is always very calm. He never gets angry. Get to a place. Get to a place equals arrive. We use get here and get there without to. We also use get home without to. I usually get to work before 8:30. Equals arrive at work. We left London at 10 o'clock and got to Manchester at 12:45. How did you get here? By bus? What time did you get home last night? I left home at 7:30 and got to work at 8:15. I left London at 10:15 and got to Bristol at 11:45. I left the party at 11:15 and got home at midnight. I left home at 8:30 and got to the airport at 10 o'clock. Get in, get out, get on, get off. All got off the bus soon. I got on the bus, and I sat down. We will get on the bus in 5 minutes. I made a stupid mistake. I got on the wrong train. I want to get on another bus, but I have no more money. I got off the bus and walked to my house from the bus stop. Isabel got out of the car, shut the door, and went into a shop. A car stopped and a man got out. Equals, but a man got out of the car. We got on the bus outside the hotel and got off in Church Street. Do we get off the bus at the post office? Is the cinema near there? Do you want to go out tonight? What about going to the cinema? Kate got in the car and drove away. Equals, Kate got into the car and drove away.
The link, of all sentences in this video, is in the description.
Don't forget to watch these videos.